Hi guys, I'm Razvan and today I want to show you a chest workout at home. You don't need any equipment, you can do it whenever you want and whatever you want. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to leave me a comment if you have any questions or any suggestions. Let's get started. First exercise, side push-ups. 8 reps is the goal, let's do it. Few seconds rest and moving on to diamond push-ups. 8 reps is the goal again. This is my first workout in the past 4 years. It is going to be very hard. Rest a bit and moving on to dead stop push-ups. Now we are moving on to wide normal push-ups. Only managed to do 4 reps. It is getting harder and my arms are tired. Don't give up, keep going. Another 4 reps, let's go! Because it is getting very hard, I'm moving on to push-ups on knees. Wide push-ups with isometric contraction. Hold the position for 2-3 seconds and feel the muscles burning. Last exercise, diamond push-ups on knees. 8 reps is the goal. Let's do it. After the 5th repetition, I had to stop. It was too much, couldn't do anymore. I rest it for a few seconds and try it again. I finished the exercises. It is quite hard. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.